Ready to take control of your finances? First, let's get started. Open your preferred web browser, like Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Then, in the address bar, type Citibank.com. Once the Citibank homepage loads, look for the section labeled Sign On, Login, or something similar, usually located near the top right corner. Select it. This will take you to the login page. Here, you'll see two primary text fields, one for your user ID or username, and another for your password. In the user ID field, carefully enter the username you created when you enrolled in online banking. Avoid any typos. Next, click inside the password field and type your password. Keep in mind passwords are case sensitive, so make sure the caps lock key isn't on, and double check your entry for accuracy. Sometimes, you'll see a show password option. If you're having trouble seeing your password, this lets you view what you're typing. This will help you make sure you've entered everything correctly. After filling in all of the information, locate the big button often labeled Login or Sign On, and click it. If your user ID and password are correct, you'll be logged in. You can now view your credit card balance, recent transactions, make payments, and manage your account. And that's it. You're ready to explore your account data. Remember to keep your login information secure. Log out after each session, and regularly review your transactions, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.